Hey, Puka. Hi, little girl. Look, it's Ruan.
It's your buddy.
Aww. She says, we are buddies. We're cage mates out there.
Yeah.
She says, we're adjusting pretty well here. It's not too bad. It's better than what we had before.
Yeah.
You humans are kind of weird, but other than that, the dogs are pretty cool.
Yeah.
Aw, little Ruan, isn't she cute?
She's gorgeous. Yeah.
Maybe we'll do a dual video. Go ahead and pop her right up there.
Okay. Come on, Ruan.
So these guys are puppy mill dogs, but they're not real bad. They're not some of the horribly terrified that we've had. Oh, look at the two of you.
Yeah, they're nervous.
They are. Hi, girls. They just had surgery yesterday, too.
Yeah. Just got back from the vet.
Look how beautiful that cocker is. My goodness. Yeah, you did just get back from the vet. And we just threw you in this room. Huh?
And it's cold and we're
Yes, it is cold.
vegan.
Oh, a little of that could be stress, but
yeah,
we all get stressed around here now and then. So you're two really good girls. So we have Puka the Schnauzer and Ruan the cocker. Okay, guys, we're going to be able to find you a home, and you're going to do really nice in this world. You got a whole new life ahead of you.
Ooh, look at these lights.
Ooh, lights, yeah, that's cool.